A suicide bomber attacks Afghanistan's largest prison, killing at least 7 people. Prison employees were among the dead. Pakistan Supreme Court cancels a ruling against a Christian woman who was facing the death sentence. A lower court had found her guilty of insulting Islam. Search crews think they may have found the wreckage of an Indonesian passenger airplane that crashed into the Java Sea Monday. And American Defense Secretary Jim Mattis calls for a ceasefire in Yemen to support United Nations efforts toward resolving the conflict there.